Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm working on refreshing my patio, and I'm first starting off with removing this dirty old rug that I had. I got this way back when from Ross, but it's like fabric and it was filthy at this point. So that was the first step. As you guys can see, this is the, I guess, tiling or the flooring that I have down outside. This is back from 2021 when I first got them from IKEA, and I'll link them below, but they were really easy to put together and just click together, and they've held up pretty long, but they just collect a lot of dust and clay dust from the construction across the street. So as you can see here, I'm using a leaf blower. I also swept a little bit, but I'm using a leaf blower to blow some of all of the loose dirt and dust away. But I quickly learned that this was kind of getting a little crazy. Bad idea. So a tip is to just make sure that I'm pointing downward so that the dust was actually flying out the door. Had to put the bonnet on, y'all, because this thing was getting all over me, as y'all could see. But yeah, this doesn't have any like levels to it, and honestly I thought it was gonna blow the dust straight, but it was kind of blowing it all over the place. But it did what it needed to do. The floors look a lot better, and it definitely got it off of the cushions like I needed it to. So I'll just do kind of a wipe with my hand with some cloths and stuff, then we can get to everything else. I'm also not really trying to do too much with it, just because literally by tomorrow the clay is probably going to be right back. So we're doing what we can, but yeah. So this is what it looked like after blowing all of the loose dirt off of the cushions and the patio floor. And I'm just taking a cloth and some dish soap and water to start wiping off the siding. And this really helped make everything look more refreshed. I don't think I had done this since I moved in, honestly. Maybe I did one other time, but really, it really helped give it a fresher look. So just because in North Carolina we get a lot of clay, and like I said, they're doing construction, and that dust is just getting everywhere in my patio. You can't really see on camera, but in person you can really see kind of the stains on the siding. That's to be done, and that is done over there. Looking good. Getting my last wipes in for the siding, and then I just also made sure to wipe off the little table that's outside, and also just the cushions and the pillows, giving them just a light wipe. That's the good thing about outdoor furniture, is they're super easy to clean. All right, so this is what we're looking at. Move some of the furniture, and my mom helped in wiping off the siding. What should I do next, Ma? Should I do the lights, or should I put down the rug and stuff?
I would start at the bottom and work up.
Okay. You heard it here first, folks. I don't know what type of animal is about to be back here. Okay. This is the new rug that I got. It is from Amazon, and it's a plastic like RV rug. So I'm replacing the old rug that I have because it just kept getting so dirty with that fabric. So let's see how this one works. I just feel like I have a lot of different patterns and colors and stuff going on now, though, but whatevs. Look at it. Cheap. Just kidding. Yeah, it's doing its thing. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. All right, so now for putting down this new rug. Honestly, I don't know what I was thinking. Sometimes when I'm recording, I am not thinking straight, but I moved back the furniture and started to put the rug down, when really I should have put the rug down and then put the furniture on top of it. Like, that's common sense, but enjoy just watching me put it down while lifting up the furniture afterward. It did not make sense. But yeah, overall, I do really like this rug. Like I said, I think it was only like $30 from Amazon, so it is kind of cheap. So we'll see how long it lasts, but you can tell that it'll be much easier for me to clean than the fabric rug that I originally had outside. So now moving on to my lights. First, as always, making sure that they actually work before you do all the work of putting them up and then plug them in, and none of them work. So both my boxes worked. At first I was using these Illuma I forgot what it's called, Illuma hangers, yeah. And then I was also using these siding clips. So my original idea was to put clips on one side and then cut the Illuma hangers to use on the opposite side. But turns out it wasn't sturdy enough for me to actually hold up everything. I was giving y'all a thumbs up like it was actually gonna work, but you'll see why it didn't. Christian's here to help.
Hello.
Okay. We also have these cable helper clips that I bought from Amazon to make it go up the side of the wall over there. So yeah, we're kind of winging it. I've never done this before. I want this cord to stretch up as much as I can. They're hot, right?
Yeah.
Is that bad?
No. It is not cold.
Oh, that's not gonna hold it up there? I actually have some command light strips for outdoor lights.
A lot?
Yeah.
Like that, right?
Yep.
Cool.
So at this point, we had a nice groove going. We were working each side, hanging them up. I was even going to like attempt to do a cute little transition for you guys, but then one of them ended up falling and breaking. All right, guys, so some things that you didn't see was we actually had a crash, but we fixed it. So now we're working backwards from the end and we're gonna like re-loop everything. So that's what we're currently doing. And working from the end made 1,000 times more sense, and it just worked out perfectly that way. So definitely recommend. All right, you guys, we got them all up. We got them all up, looking good. Now, got a 15-foot power cord. Shout out to Lowe's. Yeah, this is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We're going to be using these, putting them inside of the siding. Okay, got it. I showed them that already. So here you can see from there, all we had to do was push the wire in between the door and the siding, and it was perfectly hidden and it looks so good. Also, we did end up just changing all of the hooks to being double-sided tape to make it more sturdy. But this is the final product. Look how much cleaner it looks. I mean, maybe you guys can't realize it, but to me it looks so much more fresh. And I feel like I want to spend more time out there. The warmth that comes from the lights is super nice too. Obviously, you can see Ava's loving it already. I love the new rug. So I'm really going to be enjoying my patio from now on. But yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave some comments below and let's chat. And yeah, turn on your post notifications to be updated every time I upload. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.